Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be talking about the MIUI 12 update which I am using in all of this current 4 devices as you can see right now. So right now I got the MIUI 12 installed in the Redmi K20 Pro device for the past 1 month I am using, and Redmi Note 8 Pro I think for the 20 days, and even the Poco X2 also I'm using for the I think 3 weeks of time, and Poco F2 Pro as well. So in this video I'll be talking about about this MIUI 12 interface, and what are the things you need to know before actually updating to the mobile phone here. I'll be covering the performance level and the battery, and what are the things I like and I don't like. And in case if you did not receive any of these phones update, then don't worry, you'll receive the update very soon. But these are the most important things you need to know before actually updating your mobile phone. And definitely do check the links in description for all the wallpapers what I'm using in my current videos. So there is also dedicated playlist which I have created only for the MIUI 12 users. So definitely if you don't know what are the MIUI 12 features it has add, so try to check that playlist. You can find very good interesting features. So always follow my channel to get to know more latest information. So let's get started. The first thing I would say is that the MIUI 12 has done plenty of new changes, new customizations and new animations, new features as well. For example, we do have the right now a small pop-up floating windows where you can actually get in few applications. As you can see right now, you can easily make any application, not any application, only few applications which actually supports the pop-up window. You can use it in this way, as you can see friends, so which is very good. If you double tap, you'll get in full screen. Only few apps which do supports the floating window, you'll get this kind of option. So these are just small thing where MIUI 12 has plenty of other new customizations and new features. So in terms of adding new features, these are very good, and the Realme UI is far backside when you compare with the MIUI 12. Definitely I can feel that thing. And there is a new control panel as well which gives you completely new look. Definitely friends, I like this new control panel in the MIUI 12, which is also another good thing. And one more thing is that right now few users they do have concern that they cannot get the small bottom bar. So bottom bar will be only available if you install the system launcher as a default launcher. So in case if you do not get any system launcher as a default, I have done a video on that one. Definitely you can check that video, and once you select the system launcher, then only you'll get this kind of bottom bar in all of the MIUI 12 devices. So I do see this kind of comments a lot, so that's why I thought of mentioning here right now. So in terms of the features, this is pretty good, so no issues at all. So I am 100% satisfied with all the new things it got added in the new interface. Even camera UI and everything got changed with the new MIUI 12, as you can see, so which looks fantastic in terms of the optimization. And next area is the performance. So in terms of the performance, I did not see anything much lag or delay. I did not see much I did not notice at all much lag or delay in any of the smartphones like Redmi Note 8 Pro or the Poco X2. Everything looks fantastic and same. And one more thing I forgot to mention is that in few phones with the MIUI 12 update, you do get the sunlight mode, as you can see friends. So sunlight mode will be there in the brightness level, so which means the brightness will only increase under the direct sunlight. So right now I'm using the studio lights, and under this artificial light the brightness won't increase. So this is another good feature which I did not think anytime, but it's good to have this kind of features here. So overall in terms of the features and performance are pretty good. And only one and only last thing is that battery. So battery is the main area where all these mobile phones got affected. Definitely friends, I can notice a tremendous decrease in the battery life of each and every smartphone after updating to the MIUI 12. So definitely if you are one of the person who is more concerned about the battery life, and definitely stay tuned. Don't update to the MIUI 12 right now, so until I get a confirmation that the battery is good. So the MIUI 12 will receive the regular updates in terms of optimizing the battery. So this happens every time whenever they whenever they add more number of features to the OS. So the battery life is another thing which will be impacted a lot. So definitely these are another one thing most of the users they do have concern about the battery, but overall the battery life decreased. I can see a huge change. So for more videos, do subscribe to my channel. So this is the overall review of this one of the MIUI 12. So I'll be keeping you posted about all of the other smartphones as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.